Mia doesn't know that I'm standing right here, and I'm going to surprise her. Ah! Yo, you are so loud. Ooh. Nice outfit.
You know, before you go to the mall, it's like show off.
Somebody take the meat out. This little rascal costs $10, even in Philippines, and it only lasts 10 minutes. Just kidding. Look how good my handwriting is. That's actually, yeah, it's not so good. Gunga style. Yikes. Homemade coffee is second to really none. This hasn't steeped long enough, but I'm cheating because I need a little kick right now. Yo, your hair is so black and thick like a horse's.
Horse, really? What the?
Now you see me. Now you don't. Now you see me. Now you. What the? I usually keep my meat in the freezer, but not always. Mia's editing her vlog, and she likes to spend 7,604 hours doing it.
Wow, really?
Wow, really?
Not 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
No, I'm gonna delete the
You must be the most entertaining, interesting, amusing human being ever born in this galaxy. What the? Who's gonna watch a 30-minute vlog? Like, is that even, that's a thing these days? Like, what the? This is the second hair clip I've had to buy Mia because she decided to drop the other one violently and it snapped in half. But in her defense, we bought it from 7-Eleven. So the other hair clip is basically being used to make sure this cereal stays fresh. Wow! Woo! Can anyone guess what floor we're on? It's a beautiful day in Manila. This is a good old air filter. You pretty much need to have one of these running like all the time when you're in Manila. It's gym time. Yeah, who's stronger? Push. Ah. The goal for tonight is to get into a little bit of trouble, but not too much trouble, if you know what I mean. I think you do. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Ah! Yo, you are so loud. It's time to go see Bullet Train. Oh. Nice outfit.
Hello.
You have some cute feet, hey? Mia, tell me a joke. How many people does it take to screw on?
What?
But bro, my ears are always popping in this elevator, up and down, ears pop, clop, drop. What movie are we watching tonight, Mio? No! Smile. There you go. Excited. We're saved. We thought we didn't have cash, and they were cash only for their popcorn and beverages. That was such a close call. I said medium popcorn, and Mia's like, absolutely not. We're getting the big one. Out of Coke Zero. I've had better news. I should just go to another vendor and get a Coke Zero, so I have something bubbling in my stomach other than popcorn. I had my heart, mind, and soul so that I'm drinking a Coca-Cola 0 calorie tonight. They ran out, so I'm gonna go find another vendor that could potentially meet that need. You know what I mean? All right, we're going down. We're going down to find that Coke Zero, man. I'm not giving up. All right, hit the jackpot. There it is. Yo, I did it. Success. But I had to go all the way to the marketplace. Mia just like aggressively sprayed hand spray, and after aggressively spraying that hand spray, it almost went literally into the popcorn, and I think I saved the day, but I don't know. Mio, what do you think of the movie? What do you think of the movie? Yeah, it was action-packed, really funny.
We're going home.
Yeah, we definitely recommend the movie. It was action-packed, it's really funny. It had so many A-list actors in it. Hilarious, check it out. It's called Bullet Train.
Yeah.
Walking home. We made it back. Tired.
Sleeping.